Hi, it's Andrew from Fine & Country. Another special day, sun's out, blue sky, and we've got a treat for you. We're here in Launceston at the Heights, which is a fantastic and highly versatile 5 to 6 bedroom home. Let's go and have a look. So, welcome inside the property. You've got this wonderful entrance hall, high ceiling, which just flows down into the reception space. The kitchen itself has a range of integrated appliances. We've got 2 double ovens, microwave, a coffee machine, dishwasher, and also the space here to fit a wide American style fridge freezer. I love this centre island with a quartz worktop, and look at this, you can even charge your phone. And after that, you can lift it up and you've got then USBs and power sockets for extra convenience. And if you fancy a cold one, there's even a wine fridge. Cheers. Of course, we have a lovely light and airy spacious dining room with room for a very large table, being able to seamlessly walk through these double doors out into the patio when the weather is favourable. What I love about this living space is not only is it triple aspect, but it's also dominated by this fire surround here, which within you have a built-in log store area and in addition a very powerful wood burning stove. So, if you're a sun worshipper, how about this? Being able to easily glide outside onto this wonderful smooth patio in the south-facing sun, being able to relax and enjoy those lovely days. And from certain parts of the property, you can even get an extra special elevated view, south-facing, looking towards Bodmin Moor. Now, who enjoys a good film or a good match? I know I certainly do. And look at this, what an amazing cinema room. Space for seating, even got a bar to chill out and enjoy after a hard day. So we have up to 6 bedrooms arranged over 2 floors. There's also one of the bedrooms that can be used as an office. You can join us here in the main bedroom, which is dual aspect, very large, with the benefit of a door that can also access the rear garden. Furthermore, this master suite has the benefit of a walk-in wardrobe. There's an ensuite shower room, WC, with a his and hers wash hand basin. The remaining bedrooms are found on the first floor. One of the most impressive spaces is the sumptuous bathroom WC. In addition to the patio, on this side of the property, we have a large expansive lawn with flower borders well stocked. There's also a garden shed and a large garage with UPVC doors, which is great for storage or potentially could be another office. A short walk from the property, you've got the town centre of Launceston with all its shops, amenities. So for more information on this superior family home, please contact Fine & Country today on 01566 771919. Thank you.